This is a logic function or boolean function which is being implemented using this logisim. So here we have three inputs and one output, and this is the truth table, and this x is actually representing this here. Okay, so when you give the inputs is here 0 0 0, the output is 1, so that's correct here. Then we apply 0 0 1, so again the output is 1, so it is correct. Then the next one is 1 0, so it is 0 1 0. On that case also we get the output as 1, so this is correct. Here we get a 1. And then 0 here 1 1, 0 1 1, so the output is 0 here, that you can see here, right? So here also it is 0. Then the next one is 1 0 0. So for 1 0 0 the output is 0. So this is 1 0 0, the output is 0. Then the next one is 1 0 1. So for 1 0 1 it is 1. Here also you get it. Okay. And we can check it. Then so for 1 1 0 we get it as 0. Then we have the last value 1 1 1, for that the output is 1. So the function implemented using logic gates is verified. Okay, thank you.